For more than half a century, the Moon has remained silent. Since the final Apollo mission in 1972, no human being has set foot on its surface. Generations have grown up knowing the Moon only as a distant world hanging in the night sky. But that is about to change. NASA has revealed the crew of Artemis III, the mission that aims to return humanity to the lunar surface and begin a new era of exploration. The announcement at Johnson Space Center marks a historic moment, not only for the United States, but for all humankind. Artemis III is far more than a symbolic return to the Moon. It represents the first step toward a future in which humans live and work beyond Earth. The mission is expected to carry astronauts to lunar orbit aboard the Orion spacecraft. From there, they will transfer to a lunar landing system and descend to the Moon's surface. Unlike the Apollo missions, Artemis III is designed to explore regions never visited before. The target is the Moon's south polar region. This area has become one of the most important destinations in modern space exploration. Scientists believe that permanently shadowed craters near the lunar south pole contain significant amounts of water ice. That ice could one day provide drinking water, breathable oxygen, and even rocket fuel for future explorers. In other words, the resources needed to support long-term human presence beyond Earth may already exist on the Moon. The Artemis program is not simply about planting flags. It is about learning how to survive on another world. Every system, every technology, and every procedure tested during Artemis missions will help prepare humanity for future journeys deeper into the solar system, including Mars. For decades, Mars has been the ultimate goal of human exploration. Yet reaching Mars is an enormous challenge. Astronauts would need to survive for months in deep space, operate far from Earth, and live in an environment unlike anything humans have experienced before. The Moon provides the perfect testing ground. Close enough for support. Far enough to present real challenges. The astronauts selected for Artemis III carry a unique responsibility. They are not only explorers. They are pioneers. Much like the Apollo crews before them, they will venture into an environment where every decision matters. Every movement is planned. Every step contributes to scientific knowledge and future exploration. Their mission will include geological studies, technology demonstrations, and the collection of valuable scientific data. Researchers hope these discoveries will help answer important questions about the Moon's history and the early history of our solar system. The Artemis program is also different in another important way. It is an international effort. Space agencies and organizations from around the world are contributing technologies, equipment, and expertise. The future of space exploration is increasingly becoming a global endeavor. Humanity is learning that the greatest discoveries are often achieved together. When the Artemis III astronauts finally descend toward the lunar surface, they will not simply be revisiting the past. They will be opening the door to the future. A future that may include lunar bases. A future that may include permanent human settlements beyond Earth. And perhaps one day, a future in which humans walk across the surface of Mars. The Moon is no longer the destination it once was. Today, it is a gateway. A proving ground. A stepping stone toward the wider universe. More than 50 years after Apollo, humanity is preparing to return. Not for days. Not for a single mission. But for the beginning of a new age of exploration. The next footprints on the Moon will not simply mark a return. They will mark the start of humanity's journey deeper into space. And that journey is only just beginning.